Okay, let's continue our case study. Last class we do average cost already and then total cost by project already. So this class we're gonna do the total hour work by project. Okay, so this one is mean we is similar to the second one, like the total cost, but we gonna do total hour instead of total cost. Okay, so let's see here. So let's see we open the project that we do for the last class here. This one is the project that we do, and then we have the total cost. So if we run the program, they can run the total cost of each project. Okay, so what we learn is we have the project list number two. That is the data. So if you want to check whether the project list number two is the list of the project without, let's say, without repeating, so we can comment the output one, and then we can just try project list number two. So we support to have the list of project, uh, and then it's no repeating. Okay, so this one is the one we want. So next step is mean we want to check the field name, right? The field name for our data. This time is the total our work. So what we need to do is we bring the data frame, the original data frame that we read it from the text file, and then set head. So when you set head, it's gonna print just the around 5 rows, and then the column name. So we print it, and then they're gonna have the column name we want, date, project, every, and then hours worked. So right now we know that it's named hours worked. So we just make a note, and then the next step we do exactly the same thing we do in the calculate total cost. So we just said for f in project list. So this program gonna run equal to the number of the project, and then we just said df this one the data frame for each project. So we can use the same name, but in order to make you understand, so we just set project 2, and then we said df. This time we want the entire data frame, but we want to filter column, right? So we use df, so column get df, and then this time we said project. So this one you're gonna get the entire data frame, but the project must equal to x, right? Because the x is mean the each project that we do. So this time you're gonna have the project 2. So we just said total hours, total hours equal to the df project 2, right? Df project 2, and then we just want only one field this time. So the field name is the hours worked. This one that make a note, right? And then this one, since we get only the field we want already, so we can just set to numpy and then sum, right? Because we're going to use the numpy function that is to sum. And then at the end, what we need to do is to just print. So before we do the good format, we need to just print the total hour first to check whether it is what we want or not. Okay, so I just needed something like we print the x, we print the x, and then we print total hour. So when we run, they support to print the project and then the total hour. So that's it. So it's looking very good. Project A 1,151, something like this. So what we're gonna do right now is we gonna make it looking good. So like I said, we said print and then make the total hours, total working hour of, and then just set the project. Since the project is to be string already, we need to cast like of this project is, and then followed by this one we need to cast the total hours, and then you need to add the human working by hours. Okay, this we just run. Okay, this one, well, x is this contain the loop number of our project. Let's say check number 1, 2, is here total. Oh, okay. This one support to close นะครับ I forget to close. So this one we just remove this and then run. Okay, so need นะครับ so this one is one more the one more requirement for the case number 2